Once a video or voice clip is recorded, it is called a session. To share that session, you have several options. First, you need to find the session and where you recorded it. In this case, I'm going to use a previously recorded sample video, and that is in my personal folder. So I find my personal folder labeled with my username, and here is my session. If I just want to give someone viewing permissions, I can roll over the title and this menu appears. I'll click Share. From here I can grab this link and email it to someone, or if you know how to embed in CourseWeb, you can go ahead and grab that code and go do that. Now, even with the link or with the video being embedded, if the person has not been given permission to view the video, they still will not be able to see it. When you send this link, it will tell them they don't have permission, and they have the opportunity to request that permission from you. This will send you an email where you can grant permission, or you can grant permission from the beginning, which is, of course, best practice, and you can do that by using this Invite People bar. If you want to share it with a particular person, simply start by typing their name and it will pull up options. You can share with as many people as you would like at one time. Include a personal message if you'd like. Then click Send and save changes. Since we're only looking at one session, this would give these people permission to view this session that I recorded. They can't edit or add their own videos to the folder. If I would like to give a small group of people access to add content to a folder, I need to create a specific folder inside my own folders to do so. Or you could give a whole class permission to the class folder if you wanted to do it that way. But for now, we're just going to create a specific folder that I can invite people to. I'm going to cancel out of this and close this. So now, inside this is my personal folder. I'm going to create a new folder. So come up here to Create, New Folder. I can name it whatever I want. For now, we're just going to name it Test. Here's the parent folder, and for permissions, I'm going to uncheck this Inherit Permissions since I want to give permission to very specific people, so Create Folder. Now you come up with the settings, and I can invite people to this folder. But now when I invite people, I can let them just view inside the folder, or they can actually create. However, be careful, this is not nuanced. It literally means that they can create, edit, delete. They have full permissions inside this folder, unless you give specific permissions for each video, but just like this, it means they can do anything inside of this folder, which usually is fine, but just be aware that that's the kind of permission that you're giving. So I can say that this person can create, add a personal message if I'd like, and then click Send and save changes. But now this folder is still empty. The session I recorded previously is still in my main folder. So I'm going to go up a level to my top folder and go to the settings for this session. I'd like to move it to a different folder, so I'm going to go here under Edit. And when I pull this drop down, here lets me see subfolders, and here's the test folder that we just created. So I'm going to choose that one and click Save. So if I close out of this, you can see that the video has left this main folder. I can now go into the folder that I created and see the session. Now everybody to whom I gave permission can see and edit this video as well as add other videos to this folder. Additionally, if I would like everyone in my class to be able to see a video, I could put it in the class folder. For example, if you were giving a summary of what was discussed in this week's online discussion, to do this, the class has to be set up in Panopto already. If you don't know how to do that, click the hotspot to see how. But if it is set up in Panopto already, by using the same feature, I can click Settings, Edit, and choose the appropriate course folder, and this will automatically give everyone in the class the ability to view the video. However, it may not be apparent to them that a new video has been added, so you'll still want to come back to Share and send them the link or embed the video in the course. Now here is a list of related topics for you to learn more. Please click on the topic that you would like to view. Each line is a hotspot and it will take you to that specific video.